Now number 57 says, read the graphs below and describe the movement shown on each segment of the line. So if we look at this graph, we're looking at a distance versus time graph. So a distance time graph. So we look at this line segment first, and that is moving at a constant speed, but it's a slow constant speed. Slow constant speed. And we could look, and we could say for 3 hours. So it moved to this point. So then the next line segment would be this one, and that speed increases. So we'll say fast constant speed. And we look and see how many hours, and it was 2 more hours. Then we look at this section here, and that's a flat horizontal line, so that tells us that it's got no motion. And then we look and see that's at 9 hours. So from 5 to 9, it's got no motion for 4 hours. And then we look at this part, and it's going at a fast constant speed because it's going at a diagonal, and it's a straight line. So it's fast constant speed returning home for 3 hours. For 3 hours. Now the second one is a speed time graph, so speed. And we went over this one in class, so I'll just write through this real quick. So the blue boat is this top one. It's going at a constant speed of 10 miles per hour. The red boat is this straight diagonal one. That's going at a constant acceleration. The yellow boat has 3 different sections. The first section is a slow constant acceleration. The second section is a fast constant acceleration. And the third section is going at a constant speed of 6 miles per hour. So number 58, go ahead and skip that one. There's actually no correct answer on that one. So number 59, the steeper the line, the faster an object is moving on a distance time graph. The flatter the line, the slower it is moving. A totally flat line means the object is stopped or has no motion. Remember, that's on a distance time graph. So number 60 here, it says, please be sure to read the instructions. Calculate the speed of the car from point C to point D, then grid it. So we're at point C to point D. So it says calculate the speed, so we need our speed formula. So speed equals distance divided by time. So that means speed in this case equals the distance which it goes from 30 to 60. So that would be a distance of 30. 60 minus 30 would be 30. And then it goes from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. So that would be a time of 15 seconds. So 30 miles in 15 minutes. So 30 miles divided by 15 minutes, that gives us a speed of 2 miles per minute. So then to grid that, we grid our 2, bubble in the 2. So number 61 here, it says if the instructions tell you to find the speed and they say the ball rolled for 3 seconds, what would the speed be? And it goes from 2 to 8. So we'll say speed equals distance divided by time. So it goes from 2 to 8. That would be 6 millimeters. And it says it rolled for 3 seconds. So that would leave our answer as 2 millimeters per second. So again, we grid that in, 2 millimeters per second. So when using a picture on a question, be sure to use the information given in the picture. Do not assume anything that is not shown, even if you think it would happen. Then be sure you read every word of the question. Sometimes missing just one word changes everything. So remember to make sure you read every word of the questions, so that way you can make the best grade as possible on this. So now you have this study guide that you can use to study, and I wish you luck on your exam.